Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about a project called Bitlocus. This is a DeFi platform for all your cryptocurrency and fiat needs, and stay till the end of the video to get all the juicy details about different features about this platform. But before I get started, this video is not financial advice. This video is just for education and information purposes only. Now let's hop into it. So here is the Bitlocus website, and as you can see, this is very cool and very professionally done. By the way, the link for this website will be available in the description down below, so make sure to go check it out over there. And Bitlocus is a new and improved way of a DeFi marketplace. So as we can see, gateway to DeFi investment products. So this is your centralized hub and website where you're going to have access to all the DeFi investment products of your liking. Use traditional currencies such as euro and crypto to invest in decentralized finance products directly with no technical hassle. It's very reliable, transparent, easy to use overall. You can make your assets work for you by generating higher interest rates as well. It's very simple to use. Even non-crypto users who are very new to the game and the DeFi and Web3 space as a whole can use this platform very easily and actually earn high crypto yield very easily as well. They do have $30 million in insurance, so custodial assets held on your Bitlocus account are insured by Fireblocks, so that's pretty cool as well. And getting started with this Bitlocus platform only takes a couple minutes. So as you can see, the step-by-step process is quite simple. Number one, you just sign up. Number two, you verify your identity. Number three, you could start depositing different euro or crypto as well. And then step four is just starting to invest, submitting your request, and then they'll do the rest. As for the future for the Bitlocus project, as you can see, Q1 of 2022, they actually did some Bitlocus investing platform launch. So they started with a high yield, low risk stablecoin staking system. And then Q2 of 2022, which we're currently in right now, they're doing additional Bitlocus token utilities. So up to 24% interest when staking BTL tokens, up to 30% better DeFi yields through account levels as well. The next step for them in Q2 of 2022 is the Bitlocus crypto lending launch. So basically expanding our DeFi service palette, farming NFTs and packages coming afterwards. Q3 of 2022, Bitlocus debit card will be released. So it's cool that they have their own debit card that you can make payments and transactions with. So very cool, and a very similar step of what we see with crypto.com. Crypto.com has their own debit card that they use for their users to actually make purchases and payments. So very similar direction that they're going with as well. So use your crypto for your everyday purchases with Bitlocus Visa debit card. Now we got a basic overview of what this platform is all about. Now let's actually take a look at their DeFi marketplace. So currently they do have the staking feature available for their DeFi marketplace. As you can see, the current APY, risk level, high or low, and the platform, which is Bitlocus or on Anchor, distribution right here. And then you can also stake, unstake, and go about once you have your account set up. But they do have some features that are coming soon that they did mention. The lending, farming, DeFi packages, and the NFT marketplace are coming very soon, not here yet, but nonetheless, you do have staking available as well over here. They do mention down below account upgrades. So in order to upgrade your account to a certain level, you must hold BTL tokens in your Bitlocus account. So their own BTL tokens, you might want to have them in your account if you want to get those upgraded features later on. Speaking of their BTL token, here's a little bit more information about that. So hold BTL for maximum rewards, get the highest earning rates on your investments via Bitlocus platform by holding their Bitlocus tokens. So scrolling down below, what exactly is this Bitlocus BTL token? Bitlocus official token BTL is the native token of the Bitlocus exchange. It empowers the overall Bitlocus ecosystem and adds value for BTL token holders and users across many services offered by Bitlocus. So all the different features like their DeFi marketplace, their NFT marketplace, like all these different exchanges and plans that they have down the road will all be used through this BTL token, and you'll have more access to all these features through it. And over here, they just list some of the benefits that you'll be receiving through holding this BTL token. So better DeFi interest rates, better BTL staking rates as well, and exclusive membership perks. Then here's some of the exchanges that you can actually purchase this BTL token. As you can Bitlocus themselves, Gate.io, Terraformer, PancakeSwap, and then TerraSwap as well. So the BTL token loyalty program is also outlined over here. They have different tiers, so base, silver, gold, and platinum. As you can see, the base plan is only base interest rates. Silver gets you 15% better interest rates. gold gets you 20% better, and then platinum gets you 30% better. Now here's some of the Bitlocus security infrastructure that they have planned out. As we can see, through state-of-the-art in-house security protocols and best-in-class security partners, our goal is to really keep our members and holders safe, right? So they did mention the $30 million custodial fund insurance, independent code audits, strict KYC, and AML compliance standards, industry standard security measures, of course, the two-factor authentication measures, heuristic procedures, and more. And you can view the token audit down below and check out some more information if you'd like to. But just going down below, another feature outlines that Bitlocus token is multi-chain. So it is on ERC20, BEP20, as well as CW20. So Terra, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain, of course. So it's very multi-dimensional. So that's also great to see, as we can have it accessible on multiple chains. Then as you can see over here, we have the exchange trading platform for the Bitlocus token itself, BTL USDT, and the price volume and what is going on with the price, how it is increasing, decreasing, all the different orders that were placed over here, kind of the market standing points, the last trades on the exchange and whatnot. And you can actually buy the BTL and sell it as well over here once you log in and get your account set up. Over here, Bitlocus announced a loyalty program, which we did briefly cover earlier, but this was just an article that they posted just covering a little more details about the Bitlocus loyalty program. As you can see, get better DeFi yields by holding a certain amount of BTL tokens within your account. And how exactly does it work? The Bitlocus loyalty program is a system that rewards the users with extended benefits depending on the amount of BTL tokens they hold in their portfolio. The size benefits varies according to the account level, which is determined by the ratio of BLT tokens and the value of all the assets in your portfolio. For example, if you have 10,000 euros in your portfolio as an investment, you have to additionally have at least 5% of that sum of money in BTL tokens, meaning 500 euro to reach the silver level of your account and get up to 14% of annual interest rates. As you can see, we did take a look at this earlier. These are the different level of interest rates per tier that you are on. Say example for they just cover 14% for silver, but if you're on the golden tier, then you get 15% interest rate. Platinum would get 16% interest rate. So interesting stuff, guys. This is a great opportunity if you're heavily invested in the BTL ecosystem. You like this project, definitely make sure to have your portfolio loaded up, and you can earn some awesome interest rates over here with some money. So how many levels are there on the Bitlocus loyalty program? There's base level, of course, silver level, golden level, and then platinum level, like we just covered. But honestly, this is a great opportunity if you are looking to be a part of this project and want to earn some money through the interest opportunities. Now, taking a look at the social media side of things, Bitlocus is not new to the Web3 space. They've been here since July 2018 and have a massive following of 78.1k followers on Twitter. So as we can see, DeFi investment platform for fiat-based investors, crypto to fiat exchange, and then they have their Telegram link, which you guys can also check out, and then their website link, and follow right here. And make sure to definitely check this, because this will also be in the link down in the description below. Give them a follow, have those notifications on, because they do some great stuff over here on their Twitter. Taking a look at some of the announcements and posts that they do over here, just showing you their deflationary token is the driving force of our project, showing off the Bitlocus tokens, giving their community some different up-to-dates and different announcements, milestones that they have been achieving and working on the back end. They do some great AMA sessions as well that you would definitely want to tune in on, and they do different connections and different partnerships as well, and just overall some great stuff, great announcements to keep up to date their community on what's going on with their project. So this is a great community to stay involved with and really just have those notifications on. They will keep you up to date with what's going on about this project. You don't always have to be after on their website or checking out Medium articles. You can just keep up to date with them on their Twitter. They do some awesome stuff over here, and this is where you're going to want to have those notifications on to stay up to date with what is going on with this project. So that's pretty much it for the Bitlocus project. They have a lot of upcoming features that you're not going to want to miss out on. Their whole staking system, the tier interest-based system as well, and their DeFi marketplace, their NFT marketplace coming up as well. So just awesome stuff overall. This is a great project to get in on, and a project that is going to be here for the long term, because this is a very sustainable business model and Web3 space project. So just a quick reminder that all the websites covered in this video will be available in the link down in the description below, so make sure to go check them out over there. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a like, leave a comment down below on any questions you might have had about this project. Subscribe to the channel so you can keep on getting some awesome content in the cryptocurrency space to help you on your journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.